Find the wiring markings on the lower part of the rear panel. Remove the rear panel by removing the 10 screws at the panel. This is a single-phase power cord. Pass the power cord through the cable hole at the bottom of the machine and pull it into the machine. Connect the PE. Open the cover of the cable support. Connect L1. Connect L3. After wiring, replace the cover. Wiring is complete.